Are you only using Google Calendar to jot down basic appointments and meetings? If so, you're barely scratching the surface of what it can do for you. You're missing out on 90% of its power. Most people don't realize just how much more organized, efficient, and stress-free their days could be with a few simple tweaks. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 game-changing hacks that will turn your simple calendar into your ultimate productivity machine. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or just someone trying to get more out of your day, these tips will help you reclaim your time and boost your focus. Let's dive in. Hack number 1, master color coding. This is the secret weapon of productivity pros. If your calendar is just a wall of blue, it's way harder to know what's actually going on. It all blends together, making it tough to spot what's important and what can wait. Assign a color to each area of your life. Green for work, red for appointments, purple for personal, yellow for learning, whatever suits you. You can even get creative and use colors for specific projects or recurring tasks. At a quick glance, you'll see where your time is really going, and you'll catch imbalances way sooner. If you notice your calendar is all one color, it's a sign you might need to rebalance your priorities. Trust me, your brain will thank you. Color coding reduces decision fatigue and makes your schedule visually appealing, so you'll actually want to check your calendar. Hack number 2, stop the endless back and forth emails about meetings. We've all been there. Endless email chains just to find a time that works for everyone. Use appointment slots or scheduling in Google Calendar. This feature is a total game changer for anyone who schedules meetings, interviews, or even study sessions. Here's how it works. You set the times you're available, share your booking link, and people can just pick what works. No more endless email ping pong or double bookings. No more, "Are you free Tuesday at 2?" headaches. You'll save hours every week and avoid the stress of missed or overlapping meetings. This one's a massive time saver, especially for anyone who meets with clients, colleagues, or students regularly. Plus, it makes you look super professional and organized. Hack number 3, it's not just for events. Your calendar can be your all-in-one productivity dashboard. Add your to-dos right into your calendar with Google Tasks or reminders. This way, you're not juggling sticky notes, separate apps, or scattered lists. I love dragging a task onto my calendar to block out time for it, so it actually gets done. When you schedule your tasks, you're far more likely to follow through. Reminders help you follow up on things you might otherwise forget. Set them for important deadlines, calls, or even to drink water and stretch. Keeping your tasks and events in one place gives you the full picture of your day. You'll spot conflicts, avoid overbooking, and feel more in control. Hack number 4, build better habits with goals. Google Calendar isn't just about work. It can help you grow as a person too. Want to exercise, read more, or meditate? Most of us have goals but struggle to make time for them. Just tell Google Calendar your goal, like work out 3 times a week, and it'll automatically find the best times for you. It even reschedules if you get busy. It's like having your own personal assistant who's invested in your self-improvement. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is to stick to new habits when they're built right into your schedule. Seriously, this one changed my routines. I finally started making progress on goals I'd been putting off for years. Hack number 5, separate your worlds with multiple calendars. Life is complicated, but your calendar doesn't have to be. Create different calendars for work, family, personal projects, even hobbies. You can color code each one for instant clarity. You can view everything together or just focus on one area by toggling calendars off and on. This is perfect for keeping work and personal life separate, or for planning big projects without cluttering your main view. This makes your schedule less overwhelming and helps you protect your focus when you need it most. You'll feel more in control, less stressed, and ready to tackle anything. There you have it. 5 powerful hacks to transform your Google Calendar from a basic scheduler into a true productivity powerhouse. Imagine how much more you could get done with just a few of these changes. Go take control of your time. You've got this. Start small, experiment, and watch your productivity soar. Which of these hacks will you start using today? Or do you have your own secret Google Calendar tip? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing how you make these tools work for you. And if you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe to Another How-To Guru for more smart productivity tips. Your time mastered. Thanks for watching, and here's to your most organized, productive year yet.